Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful wall hanging. So let's get started. First I'm taking this orange sheet and this piece of cardboard cutout which I have made into a feather kind of shape. I've did this so that we will get many in the same way. Now I've drawn it and now I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to fold this into half. And now start cutting it like this. Similarly, I have made 11 more, so totally you need 12 of orange, 12 of yellow color, and 12 of blue color. Now I'm taking this thread, you can take any color. Now I'm leaving my palm distance and I'm going to stick the thread on the feather using small piece of tape. Similarly, I'm going to stick 4 on this one. You can stick in any order. In the same way, I have made one more with 5 feathers. And I have made one in orange, yellow and blue. Now I'm taking this old dandiya stick and I'm going to paint this in brown acrylic color. So now it's done. Now I'm taking my thread and I'm going to attach it like this. Tie 2 to 3 knots so that it stays there. Now I'm taking this to some height and I'm going to tie it again over here. Make sure that the knot we tied just now aligns like a triangle so that it stays balanced. So first I'm taking the 5 feathered line and I'm going to tie this first. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, and it's done. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on bell button and select all option. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.